I have found my new favourite premium small laptop, and it's the Surface Laptop Go 3. Let's have a look at it in this overview. Hello, I'm Christian from Expert Zone working with Microsoft, and today we are looking at the Surface Laptop Go 3, the small premium laptop from Microsoft. Now, this tiny little device is possibly my favourite new Surface device, and I'm going to tell you all about why it's perfect for me in this overview, and hopefully it also works for you. The new Surface Laptop Go 3 replaces the previous model, the Laptop Go 2, and the Laptop Go range has been around since 2020, and we're now on the third iteration of it, and every time they've released a new one, it's got better. We're going to cover in this overview some of the key features that have changed and why it now could be the perfect laptop for you. We live in a world where technology is part of everything we do. We have AI to help us write scripts, our mobile phones do more than ever, and laptops seem to be getting bigger. But with the Surface Laptop Go 3, it's small, it's lightweight, and it's premium with a metal chassis. Not only is it small, it is now faster than ever. With the new i5 processors that come within the Surface Laptop Go 3, it's faster than the Laptop 2. You also have the ability to have more RAM in this tiny little device. You can now have up to 16 gigabytes of RAM in a device this size. It also comes with the new Intel Iris Xe graphics, whereas the previous Laptop 2 didn't. It's now more powerful than ever, and myself as a creator, I welcome this power in such a small device. I carry a bag full of more technology than I have ever. I have cameras, I have lenses, I have laptops, power banks. Now my laptop just got lighter. The great thing about a device this size from Microsoft is not only is it light and portable, it also comes with a touchscreen. The 12.4-inch touchscreen has the ability to use all 10 fingers at once. I struggle with anything more than one finger for a touchscreen. I've said this device is light and portable a few times now, and you can see simply by me holding it that it's not a very big device. And it weighs just 1,130 grams, so it really is portable. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it has a metal finish on top with a plastic bottom to keep the weight down. But the great thing about this is it's not only light and portable, it also comes in 4 different colors. You have personalization options with the Laptop Go 3. You've got Sage, you have Sandstone, Ice Blue, and Platinum. You have 4 colors depending on what suits you and what sort of personality you have. You really can decide which device works for you. Now, one of the most important things about a device this size that's portable is battery life. And the Surface Laptop Go 3 gets up to 15 hours of battery life. And my favorite thing is you can charge it up to 80% charge within 1 hour with fast charge. This is perfect if you're on the go, just using it in the living room downstairs unplugged, or you're setting up for base camp for Everest. As a creator, being able to connect different things to your laptop is quite important. Well, it's important to me. And I now have the ability to connect things via USB-A, USB-C, I've got a headphone port and a Surface connector, so I can connect more things than ever. And with the Surface connector, I get that fast charge option, and I also get the ability to buy an extra Surface hub that I can connect other things via this connector as well. The USB-C port also has the ability to connect to a 4K monitor, meaning that if you don't want this device to be portable all the time, you can plug it into the biggest, nicest display possible while it's on your desk. I don't know about you, but I have a lot of passwords. At least 8 I can think of, and that doesn't include pins. Well, with the Surface Laptop Go 3, you have the ability to use a password, a pin, or with the fingerprint power button, I can just use my fingerprint. meaning that I don't need to worry about remembering another password. This has a TPM 2.0 chip for extra security. The Surface Laptop Go 3 is designed by Microsoft, meaning that not only does it get premium design and premium materials, it's also designed to integrate with other Microsoft products seamlessly. The Surface Laptop Go 3 is designed with Windows 11 in mind, meaning features like snap layouts work better than ever. Microsoft Copilot is a chat feature that allows you to search the web, ask Bing for answers using normal language, or to create content. You can access Bing Chat in Edge by clicking on the chat icon in the address bar of Microsoft Edge. The Surface Laptop Go 3 starts at £799 and comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD storage, and is available from the 3rd of October in the UK, which means, if you're watching this video, it's out. The Surface Laptop Go 3 really is portable and powerful. And as you can see, this is probably going to become my new favourite photo editing device. It's small, it's portable, and it has the power that I need. With up to 15 hours of battery life, I think this is about to replace my other bigger laptops. If you're getting value from this content and want more information around Microsoft products or Surface devices, do consider subscribing. Now, this is about to become my new favourite device. Why? It's small, it's lightweight, it's portable, it's made from premium materials, and with the 16GB of RAM and the new processor, it will edit my photos on the go as I need. Oh, and don't forget, 15 hours of battery life in a device this small that has that amount of power. If this has piqued your interest and you want to know more or want to test out a Surface Laptop Go 3, I recommend heading to your nearest store that has one and testing it out. That's all from me. Ciao.